Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to record a very quick screencast using Zoom. So starting from a blank desktop, if I go to my menu bar and open Zoom, some of you open it in other ways, but this is the way I open it, and then it comes up with the console. You can click on the desktop and bring up Zoom. From the console, go to New Meeting, and then it should open up your camera. So there'll be a picture of me pop up. I can't start the video on that because it's already started in Screencast-O-Matic. So that would normally bring up a video of you if you're just using Zoom. But I don't want to do that today. I want to record using PowerPoint. So I'll go to Share Screen and then open my PowerPoint. So this is based on a music quiz that I did the other day. So I'll open up my PowerPoint. I would then go to the More on that tab down at the bottom, and you've got there, you can see record to the cloud or record on this computer. Within this file there are some audio sounds, so I want to share computer sound firstly. Then you need to find that bar again at the bottom and bring up the record. So I'll record to this computer. If I click that, then Zoom will start recording in the background as well. So you can see on the bar there it says recording on this computer. So I then talk through my presentation, talk through what I'm going to do. This one was records played at the wrong speed, so I'll put this on, see if anyone can recognise it. So you've then recorded the first bit of your presentation. If you want to finish it, you wrap it up, then go to back to the More and stop recording, or you can use the quick keys, but I'd go back there, stop recording, and click that, and then I'll stop share and then end the meeting for all. Then it brings up saying that it will save if you want to, so converting meeting recording. This then saves onto my F drive, so it will save onto a special file in the F drive. So I'll leave that to convert, which only takes a few seconds. For a longer recording, it would obviously take a while longer, so you go and have a cup of tea, come back. So once it's recorded, what I'd do is open up my directory. It saves onto the F drive under the My Documents, and it puts in a Zoom link. So then you've got, open up that Zoom link, and you see the different meetings I've got saved on here at the moment, and it's just opened up a new one. So if you go to Date Modified, the top one should be your most recent, 11th of the 6th, today. And within that file then you have the MP4, which is the video file. Now you can take that video file and do what you like to it. You can upload it to YouTube, you can share that directly into Blackboard, and you're then able to share your recording of what you've just done. So I'll leave that there. The action of uploading it to YouTube or putting it onto Blackboard are different things. So that's just the quick way to record using Zoom. Thanks.